Dogecoin, no longer $1 prediction, but $2 or $3. Is this too hard to believe? Is this crazy? Well, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a couple of things that I think realistically could bring Dogecoin to these price targets or beyond this year to next year alone. If you guys love Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and that you are subscribed with notifications on. You do not want to be missing my videos where I'm telling you exactly what is most likely to happen. And a lot of times it does exactly what we do predict. But that's not what I'm here for. I'm not here to toot my own horn saying, oh, I predicted this, I predicted that. Predicting things is just luck, honestly. It means nothing. If you can predict things consistently, it's just you are lucky consistently. We take a whole bunch of information and we can guesstimate, we could estimate, okay, what is most likely to happen. And it's kind of common knowledge, common sense. But here's the thing, $2 to $3 Dogecoin. If we take a look at Bitcoin here, Bitcoin had bounced up just like I said would happen. We are forming higher lows. Bitcoin is still pushing up every single time. And what we can see here is that the price is compressing. The movements are getting a lot smaller, as we see here, and the price just compressing. What happens usually, not much longer after a compression phase, is that there's going to be a massive move, just like a spring where it just coils up really small. Boom, once it is let go, that's when you get these massive moves. And we have the halving in like 10 days, about 10 days from now, which is going to be an incredibly bullish event for the long term. The halving might be bullish in the short term, or it might be bearish. I don't know. But in the long term, it's going to push cryptos way higher than our current prices. So Bitcoin is looking solid. Everyone is calling a massive crash with this whole solar eclipse. I'm not buying it. I am actually bullish. We're starting to see Ethereum bounce up, which is a very good sign, because Ethereum hadn't really moved much at all. But Ethereum is holding up strong. Solana coins are holding up strong. Dogecoin especially just hit 20 cents here today. 20 cents. I'm glad that me and the people on my Patreon, we bought the bottom of Dogecoin. We also longed Bitcoin, made a whole bunch of money just yesterday. In the past couple of days, we were able to buy the dips this week while everyone is super fearful, and we made a lot of money. We can see that I made $2,000 by longing Dogecoin. 10x leverage on Blowfin. Make sure you guys are trading on Blowfin. They're doing a huge tournament. You can win up to like $35,000. They're also giving away $2,000 in deposit bonuses when you trade using my link below. Guys, it's free money. Check it out. These calls are in the Patreon, so make sure you guys are in the Patreon for these calls, where we are making insane amounts of money every single week. I also called out this coin here called WIT Incarnation, at 15, I believe it's 0.015. So the price had doubled and it did exactly what I said. Congratulations if you guys took this call. There's a whole bunch of calls that are just up in massive profits. But what is next for Dogecoin? Well, Dogecoin is very bullish, a lot more bullish for the short term than Shiba Inu, which is quite interesting. But notice this, Dogecoin is still in a very clear uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. These lows are getting higher here. The highs are getting higher. I'm thinking that Dogecoin is going to pump up to 30 cents here very soon. The Bitcoin halving is very bullish for Dogecoin. We also have Elon Musk with Twitter payments. I think there's going to be an integration with Dogecoin with that. We also have Elon Musk. He's going to be allowing people to buy Tesla vehicles, Cybertrucks, and things like that with Dogecoin. These major catalysts, just these three ones alone, I think can really send Dogecoin to these crazy price predictions of $2 to $3. So I'm still holding Dogecoin. I think I hold like 250,000 Dogecoin, which is like $50,000, give or take. We bought, if you guys were watching my videos, me and the people in my Patreon, we bought at 6 cents. So 6 cents I publicly bought. I told people to buy on my Twitter. Make sure you guys are following my Twitter. It's free information. You guys are making money on those calls over there. But we bought at 6 cents. So Dogecoin is at 20 cents right now. Do the math. It's over 300%. And I originally started with $10,000, but I did end up adding $10,000 at 10 cents. So right now it's worth about $50,000. I do think that if we get a bigger dip or correction, I will probably add another $10,000 or so. I want to accumulate as much Dogecoin as possible. I should have bought 1 million Dogecoin when I had the chance and opportunity, but I just didn't expect Dogecoin to revive itself like this. Dogecoin is literally one of the strongest cryptocurrencies right now, and it's amazing. It surprised me. Dogecoin was not looking good these past several months before Dogecoin started taking off again. Everything was pumping, but Dogecoin wasn't. And to see it pump really hard like this and to hold very strong is great. So that goes to show that all these coins that are really bearish, that look bearish, that aren't moving right now, that are really good projects like XRP, they're going to blast off and go absolutely crazy. So do not sell your bags because it's not doing anything or it looks boring. Keep holding, guys. Keep holding. Make sure you guys are in the Patreon for those awesome calls. Make sure you are also using Algosniper. This thing will tell you exactly when to buy and sell. It gave us a buy alert here for Dogecoin right at the very bottom at about 17 cents. And since then, it had bounced up 20%. You guys can try Algosniper today for just $1. Make sure you guys are using Blowfin to trade on. That's going to be it for this video. I will see you guys later.